Salut tout le monde, I'm Caitlin and this is Parlez Pals. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. It really means a lot to me. So today we're going to be doing rooms of the house, les pièces de la maison. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. La maison, le salon, la cuisine, la salle à manger, la chambre, la salle de bain, les toilettes, les WC, le grenier, la cave, la buanderie, le garage, le couloir, le bureau, la terrasse, le jardin, le potager, l'abri de jardin, la grange, l'atelier, la véranda. Which room do you spend the most time in? Comment down below en français. And did I miss any out? Please let me know down in the comments and I will do a part 2. Thank you so much for listening to this video and watching it. Please don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe and maybe share with someone also learning French. Thank you so much for watching. À bientôt!